Hi, I'm Ray, and this is how to paint this Easter egg French tip manicure. These are the items I used, but you can use something similar to recreate this look. From Hollow Taco, Long-Lasting Base Coat, and Glossy Taco. Sally Hansen, White Tea, Aquamarine, Mint Refresh, Watermelon Felon, Daisy Dukes, and Jam Sesh. Maniology stamping polishes, Cherry Bomb, Pistachio, Lily Pad, Mercury Baseline, and Baroque. OPI Matte Top Coat, Clear Jelly Stamper Plate 183, and French tip nail vinyls and some masking tape. I'll start with removing my old manicure. Gently push back the cuticles and file the nails to shape. Apply a base coat and allow to dry. Then apply a sheer white polish. I am sorry for the video quality here. I'll try to rush through it. Add a quick dry top coat. Make sure the polish is fully dry before you start the next step. I let mine dry overnight. Place the French tip vinyls on the nails. Make sure they're completely adhered to the nail with no gaps under the vinyl. Polish will seep under any spaces and you won't get a clean line. Paint each tip with a different pastel polish. I just chose my colors randomly. Cut the end of a piece of masking tape into a semicircle. This will help keep the stamping polish off the sheer part of the nail. Apply a second coat of color to your nail tip and let it dry only until it's tacky. Cover the lower half of the nail with masking tape. I'm using the image from the bottom left corner of this plate. Use a coordinating darker color to pick up the image and stamp it over the tip. Then gently remove the masking tape and quickly remove the nail vinyl. Repeat these steps for each nail. Apply a smudge-free top coat. I apply this to only the stamped image and I never wrap the tip. Next, apply a quick dry top coat. Make sure you do wrap the tip with this one. And then apply a matte top coat. You do want to apply both a quick dry top coat and a matte top coat for longevity because matte top coat is not a protective coat. And then repeat on your other hand. Lastly, don't forget to take a few pictures because you worked really hard on this. I would absolutely love to see your version of this manicure. If you use the hashtag #RayIDidThem on Instagram, I may feature your work in one of my upcoming videos. Check out the description for product links and discount codes, and please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Much love.